हेलो फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज CS Ududua. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel. कैसे हैं आप सब? I hope you all are doing good, and yes, I'm also doing good. Today I'm going to talk about that how you have to prepare for the OMR or MCQs based papers in CS Executive New Syllabus. CS, you heard it right. As for the latest announcement and notification of our institute ICSI, new course, new syllabus, CS Executive. Three papers are now going to be OMR based or MCQ based with effect from December 2019. Now many students have given June exams, and now many students are asking me that how to prepare the OMR based papers. It's a very big question for new course, new syllabus students, because if you are a new syllabus student and you have given the June 19 exam, first question comes in your mind is, if you by chance do not pass that, whether you will be also eligible to give the exams in OMR based papers. Yes, everybody with effect from December 19 will give the OMR based papers. Of which subject I'm talking about? Subject will be tax laws. Tax laws in group number 1, corporate and management accounting in group number 2, and financial and strategic management in group number 2. So these three papers with effect from December 2019 onwards. December 2019 onwards, these three papers will be OMR based. 100 marks paper will be OMR, not any, it will not be subjective and MCQs mixture, it will be totally MCQs, right? So this is very important. Now, how to approach the preparation of these subjects? It is very important because many students are confused. Students categories are different. Number one kind of student is those who have given the exams in June 19 and those who are waiting for June 19 results, and they are confused that whether they will give the exams again, and if yes, then their preparation which was in June 19 will totally be changed for December 19. Preparation will not change 100%. Yes, your strategy will change. Now, how will you have to approach for December 19 OMR based papers? In 5 minutes video, we're going to talk about this. First group paper, tax law, is now going to be OMR. Tax law includes goods and service tax plus income tax. As you all know, income tax you have and goods and service tax you have, no problem. Now, tax law paper, one important advantage you have is that in previous old syllabus also tax law was OMR based paper. So now there we get the advantage. What advantage I'm talking about? The advantage I'm talking about is, you know what kind of question institute frames in tax law. You know what kind of question comes. You know what kind of practical and theory question comes. Now MCQs and OMR and MCQs will be theoretical also as well as practical also. You have to prepare both the questions. Now tax law, you know, as per old syllabus, you can go to the institute website, download the exam question papers of old syllabus tax law of last 2-3 years. You will come to know how institute frames the MCQs in tax law and GST, right? Are you with me? Yes, no? Yes. So it's an easy thing to prepare for tax laws. If you have prepared for June 19 tax law, then there will be no amendment for income tax. As far as income tax is concerned, your same syllabus will be for December 19, but your June 19 was descriptive. Now in December 19 will not be descriptive, it will be objective. So that is a big thing, that is a big issue. Now how to approach that, I'll tell you that. Tax law ke liye, if you have taken any coaching, you can refer that coaching. Every teacher is respectable. Tax law ke liye, if you have taken the coaching, if the teacher is providing you MCQs, you can approach that. And if you are in that category, my kind of category, who always try to do self-study, so you can try to buy Bangar Sir book. Bangar Sir book, Yogendra Bangar Sir की एक book आती है दोस्त, Yogendra Bangar Sir CS Executive, either for old syllabus or new syllabus. It's absolutely same. GST is same for old and new, and income tax is same for old and new. So buy Yogendra Bangar Sir self-study book, and it will be having thousands of MCQs, and you have to practice that along with solutions it will be having. And by the latest edition, what I mean by latest edition which contains all the amendments relevant for December 2019, should have all the amendments and notifications relevant for December 2019. The book is not available as of now in the market. It will be released in the month of July, right? Are you with me? So tax law, you can prepare accordingly. It's an easy thing to prepare tax law. Corporate and management accounting and financial and strategic management, 2 papers in group number 2. Now it's a very big advantage after the introduction of MCQs. You can score definitely well in group 2 because group 2 is having 2 MCQs based paper, and both are practical as well as theoretical. Practical plus theory, it will be asking both. Strategic management is full theory and financial management is practical, plus it will be having some of the theory. Now corporate and management accounting, if I talk about corporate and management accounting may you have to prepare very very nicely, because only management accounting का जो थोड़े बहुत costing के chapters हैं, like introduction of cost accounting, like materials, like labors, like budgetary control, जो आपके costing के around 25 to 30 marks के chapters हैं, उसका हमें एक analysis मिल सकता है. Why? Because हमारा old syllabus का जो costing का paper था 100 marks का आता था, वो OMR based था. So for management accounting we can have an idea from the old syllabus that how institute frames question practically as well as theoretically. It is very important because institute will make new questions now. And as far as the corporate accounting is concerned, there will be new questions from the institute side. As of now, there is no book available for the MCQs. As of now, institute has not come with any study material giving the MCQs for corporate accounting as well as financial and strategic management. So what I'm trying to do is, as I teach these subjects, corporate and management accounting, I'm making MCQs for all my students, and I'll be uploading them on my website for every student who is connected with me on YouTube or Instagram or anywhere. So for corporate and management accounting, I'll be giving you MCQs in thousands, more than 1,000 or 2,000. I don't know how much it will be. For financial and strategic management, I'll also try to make the MCQs, right? So for how to study these subjects, whether it is tax law, whether it is corporate and management accounting, or it is financial management or strategic management, these 3 papers, how to approach and how to prepare that, it's a very 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 big question. Sabse pehle, the biggest thing you need is conceptual clarity. If you have taken the coaching for June 2019 and you do not clear your exam in June 2019 and you have to reappear in December 19 of in these 3 subjects, then don't panic. First of all, don't panic. There is a lot of panic between students that yes, the whole trend has changed. We have prepared for the descriptive kind of paper, and now there will be only MCQs. There is nothing to panic about. Why I'm talking about this? Because your syllabus has not been changed. How to prepare is, number 1, you need conceptual clarity of all the chapters, all the topics that are given in your study material. Cover ICSI study material very nicely. ICSI study material का एक लाइन से भी MCQ बन सकता है. हमें लग रहा है कि MCQ based पेपर है. Now it will be easy for you to pass and easy to score मार्क्स. ऐसा नहीं है दोस्त, बिकॉज इंस्टीट्यूट MCQ एक लाइन से भी स्टडी मटेरियल की बना सकता है आपको 4 ऑप्शंस देके. प्रैक्टिकल थ्योरेटिकल MCQs एक लाइन से भी बन जाते हैं, राइट? I'll give you some MCQs of some subjects. Solve all the questions in the ICSI study material. Now why I'm saying so? Because ICSI study material में हमारे डिस्क्रिप्टिव क्वेश्चंस दे रखे हैं। हाँ सर, हमारे तो डिस्क्रिप्टिव क्वेश्चंस दे रखे हैं और हमारा पेपर आना है एमसीक्यू बेस्ड, तो हम क्यों सारे क्वेश्चन स्टडी मटेरियल के करें? सर करने पड़ेंगे। क्यों करने पड़ेंगे? क्योंकि जो मेरे स्टडी मटेरियल में क्वेश्चंस दे रखे हैं, it's a big question like consolidation. You will be having 4-5 parts. In corporate restructuring, you will be having calculation of purchase consideration. In EVA, you will be having computation of economic value added. Weighted average cost of capital, may you want to know how to calculate cost of capital, cost of equity, cost of debts, everything. Because आईसीएसआई स्टडी मटेरियल में जो क्वेश्चन दे रखा है दोस्त, उसको तो आपको करना ही है। व्हाई? बिकॉज प्रैक्टिकल एमसीक्यूज जो मेरे बनेंगे, प्रैक्टिकल एमसीक्यूज इंस्टीट्यूट कहाँ से बनाएगा? इंस्टीट्यूट के पास क्या मटेरियल है? अपना स्टडी मटेरियल है। प्रैक्टिकल एमसीक्यूज इंस्टीट्यूट अब कहाँ से बनाएगा? जो उसके स्टडी मटेरियल में बड़े क्वेश्चंस दे रखे हैं, उसके छोटे 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 जो पार्ट्स हैं या जो उसमें कंसेप्ट्स लग रहे हैं, वहां से उसके प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चंस 1-1 मार्क के बनेंगे। आर यू विद मी? यस नो? तो अगर आपने बड़े क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चंस कर लिए, तो आप वहां से जो उसमें से जनरेट होंगे, मैं भी जनरेट कर रहा हूँ। I'll upload some of the MCQs of some chapters on my website. I'll give you the links in coming time. तो वहां से अगर आपके बड़े क्वेश्चंस अगर आपको आते हैं, तो वहीं से इंस्टीट्यूट आपने छोटे छोटे कंसेप्ट से, छोटे छोटे पार्ट से, छोटे छोटे एक पॉइंट से भी आपका एमसीक्यू बना लेगा। एंड राइट, इसलिए आपको आईसीएसआई का स्टडी मटेरियल के जो डिस्क्रिप्टिव क्वेश्चंस हैं वो भी प्रैक्टिस करने हैं और एमसीक्यूज भी प्रैक्टिस करने हैं। तो आपका काम बढ़ गया है दोस्त, आपका काम बढ़ा है, कम नहीं हुआ है। आपको ये लग रहा है कि सर एक पास करना आसान है, आपको एग्जाम में नंबर लाने आसान है, तो ऐसा नहीं है। पूरी मेहनत लगने वाली है। आपके टैक्स लॉ में एक बेनिफिट है कि आपको पता है कि ओल्ड सिलेबस और न्यू सिलेबस में अब जैसे ओल्ड सिलेबस में आता था वैसे ही न्यू में आने वाला है, राइट? यू नीड टू प्रैक्टिस लॉट ऑफ एमसीक्यूज इन टैक्स लॉ, कॉर्पोरेट मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग, फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट, स्ट्रेटेजिक मैनेजमेंट। एमसीक्यूज मार्केट में अवेलेबल होंगे, नहीं होंगे? टैक्समैन पब्लिकेशंस आज जो मेन हमारा पब्लिकेशन है सीएस की बुक्स का, वो लेकर आएगा, नहीं लेकर आएगा? नो आइडिया सर। हम अपनी तरफ से एक दो जो हमारे सब्जेक्ट्स हैं, कॉर्पोरेट मैनेजमेंट अकाउंटिंग, उसके हम एमसीक्यूज बना रहे हैं। हम उसके लिए आपको डेफिनेटली देने वाले हैं। टैक्स लॉ की योगेंद्र बांगर सर की बुक लेंगे। अब इसके बाद सबसे बड़ा सवाल ये आता है कि there will be negative marking in the OMR based paper as far as new syllabus is concerned? Yes, there will be definitely negative marking. There will be +1 for the right answer and 0.25 for the wrong answer. If you answer one question correctly and you answer four क्वेश्चन रॉन्गली, तो सर आपको अंडा मिलने वाला है। तो इसका मतलब ये है कि आपके फट्टे नहीं चलने वाले, अक्कड़ बक्कड़ बम्बे वो नहीं चलने वाला। तो इसलिए आपको मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी। यू नीड टू स्टडी कंसेप्चुअली, कवर आईसीएसआई स्टडी मटेरियल वेरी थरली, क्योंकि एमसीक्यू जो थ्योरी का है, आई एम रिपीटिंग इट अगेन, वो एक एक लाइन से भी इंस्टीट्यूट उठा सकता है। और प्रैक्टिकल एमसीक्यू कहाँ से उठाएगा? प्रैक्टिकल भी आएगा, थ्योरी भी आएगा। आईसीएसआई के स्टडी मटेरियल में जो बड़े क्वेश्चन दे रखे हैं डिस्क्रिप्टिव वाले, उसमें जो छोटे छोटे कंसेप्ट लगते हैं, छोटे छोटे सब पार्ट्स होते हैं, वहां से उठाएगा। आर यू विद मी? यस सर। तो हम उस हिसाब से प्रिपरेशन करेंगे। अब आई होप दिस वीडियो विल हेल्प यू। इसको अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए एंड इसको स्प्रेड कीजिए। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। स्टे कनेक्टेड, स्टे ब्लेस्ड। लॉट ऑफ मोर वीडियोस कमिंग ऑन योर प्रिपरेशन फॉर December 19. Thank you very much. God bless you. Stay connected, stay blessed. Jai Hind.